So here we are. This is a video of a cold start of the 91 Buick LeSabre. It has the timing chain replaced and all the other components. I thought the engine was gone because there was what's it called, coolant mixed with the oil, but that was fixable actually. It wasn't that bad. The engine didn't run that much with the mixture, which is good. Guess I'm lucky. So anyways, this is a cold start. It's been sitting overnight. I drove it yesterday actually to work. The engine light does stay on sometimes. Guessing it's the computer this time. Whoops. That was my fault. Nice to see no lights sometimes. There it is. I'm guessing it's the computer now. And I'm not gonna give it any gas. Just gonna see how long it's gonna last. Now it's shaking kind of a lot.